Di ba you prayed for it? Di ba you asked for it? Tapos when God gave you breakthrough, now you wanna take all the credit? Yes, I understand. You can celebrate your hard work. I understand. You showed up. You gave your best. You hustled when no one was watching. They are all valid. I'm not taking it away from you. You deserve to be proud of that. Kung walang pintong bumukas, wala ka pa ring breakthrough. It was God who paved the way. He was God who made a path in places you couldn't force open. He sustained you when your strength ran out. He aligned the right people, the right timing, and the right opportunities. Isa lang ang sure ako, your pride will destroy you. It always has. From the beginning of time, from the beginning of history, time and time again, pride has destroyed people. It's taken down kings, taken down empires, and even the most brilliant minds. What makes you think you are an exception? You're not. So yes, give yourself credit for your hustle, but return the glory to where the grace belongs. Stay humble, stay grounded, stay grateful.